Modular computer company Framework has begun the quest to fix entry-level laptops with a Framework Laptop 12, the first 12-inch laptop and its first 2-in-1 touchscreen PC. Trump's new US tariffs are making entry-level pricing very difficult for Framework, which has briefly delayed US pre-orders of the new laptop 12 and paused sales on its other cheapest machines. But it appears that tariffs or no tariffs, this laptop will not be cheap. Framework has just opened laptop 12 pre-orders in the UK, Europe, Canada, starting at €569, £499 or $719 Canadian dollars. Hour after the story came out, it has announced the US pre-orders starting at $549. That's hundreds less than Framework's other DIY laptop, but a good bit higher than today's entry-level Windows laptop and Chromebooks. Even before you consider the price does not include storage, memory, ports, or the operating system. If you want those things to be pre-installed, the machine starts at €849, £749 or $1,079 Canadian dollars, and it'll bring very close to the charges of the laptop 13. Very interesting concept, but it seems like Trump's new trade wars will really harm it.